All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Link in the description for merchandise. Also www.tucktheworld.com if you guys want any merch. Tuck banners right here, same ones. So we have the air suspension that we already installed. You guys seen that? Maxpeedingrods sent me a coilover set for the T7s that they got, so we're gonna install those on here and change the wheels and put it back to pretty much stock alignment and everything, so that way we can travel with it. We're gonna take all the air suspension stuff off. If you guys do want anything that's on the air suspension, the air compressor kit or the struts, you guys can hit me up, DM me on Instagram, and I'm gonna go grab the coilovers so that way we can do an unboxing video for you guys real quick and then throw them on. Let's get it. These are the stock wheels that we're gonna put on, and then I have these other two sets that I got for just for measurements that I'm gonna use for the rear and for the front. So Chris went to go grab the coilovers and he'll be coming right now, and we'll start the unboxing video with that. The box that it comes in, you guys, Maxpeedingrods T7. I have already done an unboxing and did these for the boosted Civic, so you guys will at least see again. Comes with stuff for the brake lines, the sleeves. You gotta use these sleeves on the Civic for the forks. This is the rear. They come with the bolts for the top, but the bottom you guys just gotta use the stock bolt that you have. And this is the front. This is the one that goes for the front, you guys. Same thing, new bolts on the top, and on the bottom you'll just use the drop fork with the stock suspension bolt. Take off the air suspension. Like I said, if you guys want anything, the air suspension or the compressor kit or anything, just hit me up on Instagram. Probably sell it for like 500 or something. But we're gonna go ahead, get these installed, get these wheels on, get a new look. Hey. I went ahead and adjusted this right here for the alignment. Chris has that app that's on his phone, and then went ahead and got this one lined up straight. We're gonna do a tape measure alignment from the front of the tire to the back tire, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. I just gotta put the coilover on this side, and we're almost done. You guys make sure you guys put that sleeve in there too for the bottom coilover. went ahead and stopped behind the store real quick. I'm gonna get out, do a little walk around real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. The front ride height is not gonna stay like this. I just wanted to drive it for like maybe a week or so, let everything settle, let everything adjust. As far as right now, everything is doing good. No issues, no problems. So we did take the car around for a drive. We did go through the city, went on the highway, everything was good. I do recommend tightening the top hat bolts on the coilovers. When you guys do install these coilovers, make sure that this bolt right here for the top hats is tightened. Other than that, everything's good. I did get the hood put on and I got that set up. I'm gonna probably sand it down and paint it later. Like I said, the front ride height is not gonna stay like that. I'm gonna lower it a little bit more like the back. It looks kind of goofy like that, but the back sits pretty low. The front, I wasn't too sure because the other coilovers that I did have on there, they were set up for different wheels. These coilovers have, I think, like 6 coils on them, and the other ones have like 5 or 4, so they're a little bit shorter. Just something for the meantime, you guys, for the winter time. That way I can just drive it around, daily drive it. Maxpeedingrod, I appreciate you guys sending the T7 coilovers out. We got more car content, you guys, different vehicles on the way. We got Supra content, Mustang content, we got other content on the way, you guys. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. T7 coilovers, they're dope, I like them. Like I said, the ride height's not gonna stay like that in the front. I'm gonna lower it down in like a week or so. I just wanted to put it like this for the winter time, and then for the meantime, as far as just driving it daily. The coilovers aren't bad for the price and aren't bad for what you can do with them. As far as being static, I can lower it a lot more where it's at, especially with the drop spindles. Again, shout out to Maxpeedingrod. I appreciate you guys. www.tucktheworld.com. If you guys are interested in any banners, t-shirts, or anything like that, hit me up on Instagram if you guys are interested in buying the car. I don't have it posted or listed for sale, but sooner or later it might be. So let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you